Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. You get my point? So now you can walk in with a glass of water or a drink. Then you pour the water. You can decide to throw the way you see me throw here on screen. Then you put the glass inside your pocket. After that, you can now save the video to your gallery. Then head over to Capcut. You get my point? Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So guys, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video on your social media platforms. You get my point? You know, we need to grow. So that's just it. So from this point I'm about to turn, I will have to tap on this layer so I can split and delete the beginning of the video. So why I like splitting and deleting my videos at the beginning is after mounting my phone on the tripod, before I would walk into stand to do the main recording, understand? So those parts are not needed in the video, so I'll have to split and delete those parts. But if you have someone that will video you, you don't even need to record when you are walking in. So now after splitting, you have to delete the beginning of the video. Just click on this layer now, click on delete. So this is how the video is going to start. I believe you understand what I'm saying. So after throwing the water, understand, so this is the end of the video, understand? So let's just come back to the beginning of the video. So what you need to do, the only thing you need to do, you tap on this layer. Now go and look for reverse. That's after you might have splitted and deleted those unwanted parts. You understand? So see reverse here, click on reverse. Tap on reverse, bro. So allow it to reverse 100%. Understand? Just give it a little time, it's going to reverse 100%. So guys, if you want my mentorship, you want me to mentor you on video editing, guys, chat me on WhatsApp. The number is in the description of this video. You get my point? So look at how everything is going to play here from the beginning of the video. So it will show as if I'm bringing out the cup from my pocket, understand? Then the water will come inside, just like what you saw at the beginning of this video. So that's just it, guys. It's very simple. This is something anyone can do. So if you are able to do it, you can now tag me when you are done posting the video. I'll be glad to watch you. So guys, see you in our next video. Ha ha ha.